John Doody's with me now. He's the man behind Gold Stock Analyst Investor Day. John, welcome back. Thanks for having us back here.
Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to you.
Yeah, it's always exactly. It's always a great reason to come to Florida.
Yeah, this time of year, yeah.
So, John, this year your picks have changed, at least from last year. You select the top 10 gold and silver mining companies.
Yeah, top 5 silver and the top 10 gold.
Right, top 10 gold. They're your picks.
Yeah.
What makes you decide to change things up?
Well, either a company achieves a target price, we're unique in the business that we set target prices based upon a current or nearly current gold price. Like right now we're using $1,400 gold. Gold might be $2,000 in the future, probably will be, but that's not a way to forecast current operating cash flow and that kind of stuff now. So we're using $1,400 and gold is $1,330, so it's pretty close. So if a company reaches its target price, we take it off, or find reasons why it can still go higher, which might be a new project they're developing or something. Or if they stumble, they make a bad deal that we don't like, we take them off because of that. We don't like the new deal, and it's just like investors buy and sell stocks. We do it in a disciplined manner, though, that we have a top 10 gold stocks, so that if you're going to take somebody out, that creates an opportunity to put somebody in. Sometimes we have somebody ready to go, like we just added Leagold to the portfolio because we like this deal where they're taking over Brio.
Right.
It gives them 400,000 ounces a year production next year when they're all combined, and then more, another couple 100,000 after that.
So I don't want to ask you to play favorites. It's like picking amongst children. But what are some picks you're really liking right now?
Well, I love. I'm not alone in this, but I love Kirkland Lake. They have two 400,000 ounce a year, potential 400,000 ounce a year mines. One in Canada, one in Australia. Very high grades. I mean, they're mining half an ounce a ton. These are spectacular grades, and this the stock has done pretty well, but it has more to go because I think it's the next Agnico Eagle. Agnico trades at very high multiple of cash flow because it's a very well managed company, good projects. The guys know what they're doing. They're disciplined. Kirkland can be the same thing. They just need a little bit more seasoning in the marketplace.
That's a huge compliment to them, John. And that's something I often ask myself is, how come we're not seeing the creation of big players like the Agnico, like the Goldcorp?
Well, it takes time. It
does take time, but it's been a long time since we've seen a new major player emerge.
Yeah, and the Kirkland Lake was really an assemblage of properties, and I'd have to say Eric Sprott is the guy behind it. Basically, because he added St. Andrews goldfields to the old Kirkland Lake, and then he added Fosterville Crocodile Gold, the Australian. But he had a great operator in Tony McCooch, and so the two of them together, Tony makes it work. Yeah. Maybe Eric put it together. He
actually won. We do a survey every year where we ask our viewers and audience, millions of viewers around the world, to vote for their top mining CEO, and Kirkland CEO, Tony McCooch, was actually made the top 3 this year.
He was at Lakeshore right before that, and it got taken over by Tahoe. He did a good job there on the same deposit, basically, as the Macassa mine is.
All right, let's talk gold price now. Are you happy with what you're seeing? Because I know you tell it like it is, John.
Yeah, well, it would always be nice to have a higher gold price, but we try to live within the confines of the price we have and figure out who's a better buy than who isn't. We cover 60 gold miners and royalty earners in our universe, and 25 silvers in the silver universe. So we do a lot of comparative analysis and who's cheapest on a market cap per ounce of production, market cap per ounce of reserves, and operating cash flow multiples. These are the 3 key metrics we see, and that's how we develop the top 10 or the favorite 5 list. And $1,400 is a number we're comfortable with for this year. We think we're only $70 short, so what's that, 5% or something? So we can get there.
Is this a bull market for you?
No, I don't think so. Is it a bull market for gold? No, because it doesn't meet the terms of the price appreciation. We've survived the bear market. We got down to 1050, and that was a low. I don't think we'll see that again. And we've got companies that are doing okay. And some companies are growing and putting projects together. I like this. As I said, I like Leagold, the assemblage of Leagold and Brio.
So you're happy?
Yeah, I'm always
You're
happy.
content?
Yeah, why not?
John Doody, always enjoyed chatting with you.
Thank you. Enjoy the sun. I hope you get a little sun.
Hope so
here.
too. Thanks, John. And thank you for watching. We'll have much more for you from John Doody's Gold Stock Analyst Investor Day. Thanks for watching.